Hello everyone, back tuning into this evening's video. Just going to have a look at the Easter weekend again this evening. I did the video yesterday, the first one, the Easter forecast. It would go for a cold Easter yesterday, so we'll see whether the GFS model is sticking to that trend or whether the trend has changed. And this is the first chart we're going to look at for Good Friday, the 29th of March. And we see that it's still basically the same sort of idea as yesterday, with the high pressure up to the northeast over Scandinavia, the low pressure in the Atlantic, and bringing in this chilly south to southeasterly wind. So it's the same sort of idea, but subtle differences. And as we go along, we actually find the winds going more southerly today. As this low pressure tries to push in, the high pressure is there over Scandinavia, bringing up this southerly wind. That's bringing up some quite mild air actually from the south. So if this is right, looking at quite a mild, but probably quite a wet sort of Easter weekend. There are weather fronts being thrown up by this area of low pressure, so although temperatures would be doing okay, it would be quite wet. As we go through to Easter Monday, well, we've still really got the same sort of setup with high pressure over Scandinavia, the low pressure in the Atlantic, bringing up the southerly winds, taking mild air out of the Mediterranean. We've also got weather fronts here lying through this southerly wind, producing probably quite a lot of rain and certainly a lot of cloud. But it's a milder sort of scenario than yesterday's run, which was definitely going for quite a cold Easter. There would have been some wintry weather around with yesterday's model run. It is a lot milder today, but it's the same sort of idea really, with the high pressure over Scandinavia, the low pressure in the Atlantic, and very subtle differences make a big difference to the temperature. Of course, southerly winds bring milder air, particularly as it's getting on in towards the spring, whereas easterly winds will still bring cold air, and that's what we had yesterday. So we can't take too much from this really. It's the same sort of idea in terms of the general setup, just subtle differences. So we need to wait and see really what happens in subsequent model runs, whether it's an easterly or whether it's a southerly. It does look as though the high pressure is still going to be around Scandinavia towards the end of the month, so that still gives us the ongoing chance or possibility of a cold Easter. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.